Frankie is sitting on my husband's lap and he's so big but he still looks like a baby. He is a baby. Look at his pretty face. See? Right? And he's very sweet. What can you say about our Frankie?
I don't know.
Sit, Frank. Sit. Sit.
Oh,
Good boy. Good boy. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. Sit. Out. Okay. Okay. Ow. Oh, don't eat my ear. Where's your toy?
Two steps too much. Rather be much better if we stay touch.
Who wants treats?
But it was too late. I can't make you stay.
Treats. Sit. Sit. Paw. Good boy. You can have one treat. More. Have one more treat. Stop looking for a treat there. Sit. Sit. Paw. Good boy. Have more treats. Sit. Paw. Paw. Good boy. So he loves getting like sticks like this, huge sticks like this. Frank, I will throw this. Come here. Where are you going? Good boy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Are we going on a walk? Okay guys, so we are just walking Frank and there he is. He has so much energy, so he really needs to take some walk and the weather feels nice.
Hey boy.
Honestly, no secrets between us. No, it's just honesty. Even if it hurts, even if it's just for today. I know you're just here for good fun. It's over before it's begun. So don't let me fall for a figment of my imagination.
Okay guys, so we're just going to the baseball field so we can throw balls and he can play and get some energy out because he's so energetic.
Starts to wander round and around trying to figure you out. Would it be like to be? Would it be like to be yours? Would it be like to be yours? One step is 2 steps too much. Rather be much better if we stayed in touch. You and me, but it was too late. I can't make you stay away.
Oh my god. Okay guys, so we are at the baseball field right now, but it's already so dark. So I got some clips of him, but it's really dark, so you probably can't see it. So we're gonna come back again tomorrow. And yeah. Frank.
Don't be a stranger.
Oh my god.
Let me get to know you.
He's so distracted right now. Aww. He's so tall. And my husband is like 5'11" and he's almost his height. It's crazy. Wait, I need to get a full shot of like the body. He's so big at 9 months. He doesn't know how to come back in. You go there. You go there. He's always like this.
One step is 2
Oh my
steps
God.
too much. Rather be much better if we stayed in touch.
Can you do that
You
again?
and me, but it was too late. I can't make you stay away. I know you're just here for good fun. It's over before it's begun. But don't let me fall for a figment of my imagination.
Oh my god, you didn't see the ball. Oh wow, that was a good catch.
Let me get to know you. There's a kind of danger when my mind starts to wander round and around, trying to figure you out. What it be like to be? What it be like to be yours? What it be like to be yours?
Okay guys, so welcome to today's vlog. And today we're going to the baseball field again to play. And we're gonna play ball because he loves playing ball. And you're gonna be able to see him run, and he runs like a horse. He is huge. Frank! Frank, Frank! He's very sweet. Are you excited? Are you excited? Huh? You excited? Hey Frank. Hey Frank. So we are waiting for my husband. He's just getting a ball for Frank to play with, and yeah. Okay guys, so we're at the baseball field right now and we're just gonna play with Frank. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Frank. 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 It's here. Frank. Frank. Frankie. Frank. Oh my God. Frank. Uh-oh. Someone is peeing. He got embarrassed. Wait, Frank. Wait for me. good. Get up there. Ah. Oh my God. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Again? Oh. Ah! Ow!
You okay?
I bit my tongue.
Come here. Sit. 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 Frank, sit. Look at me. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Come here.
Ah! Are you okay? Oh.
Put dirt and grass in my mouth.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
I saw that. I caught.
Put his foot straight in my mouth. Oh.
Oh my God. Oh my God. He's so cute. No.
Cute boy. You cute boy. You laying in the grass. You want Daniel to rub your belly. You want me to rub your belly. Yeah. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Yeah. Who's my baby? Who's my baby? Yeah. Here's a good boy. Who's a goofy boy?
Oh wow. You.
Did mommy have it?
Oh wow. He has a big head.
Come on.
Damn, he runs fast. He's trying to fight you, Mama.
He's crazy.
He's crazy.
Damn.
He's so hyped. You okay, Frank? No.
Come on. Come here. Start running. Start running. Go get it. Run back to me. Run.
Ow, my hand.
Hey. Go get the ball.
Give me the ball.
He's fast.
He is fast.
He's like a horse. The way he gallops too is fucking crazy. He's just like, whew, so he's majestic.
Yeah, it's so majestic.
When I turned around, it looked like he wasn't running that, even trying to run that fast, and he was just like,
He has like big steps. Like
yeah.
He's just laying with a ball on his own. He's chewing it.
Back up a little.
the aftermath of playing with Frank. Look at how dirty my face is. I can't believe it. Wait, your face is not that dirty.
It went all in my mouth.
He punched me so many times with his dirty feet, and now my face is like all dirty. Damn. Aww. So pretty. It goes through the same way. Okay guys, so we just got home, and yeah, we just got home from playing with Frank in the baseball field, and look how dirty I am right now. It's insane. Like, my face is so dirty. I need a shower. That's what happens when you have a Great Dane and he is taller than you. If you want a Great Dane, definitely be prepared for that. Especially if you're like short like me. I'm 5 feet tall and he's like taller than me already. And be ready to play dirty. Okay, so I think that's it for today's vlog. I might show clips of him like when he's sleeping later or when he's being goofy. But yeah, he's always goofy, and yeah, see you guys later.
Sit.